Hello everyone, hello to the DigitalBot community. We started big week. We working hard on our ecosystem. This week we have one big news. We have our holding PDF. On this PDF we have all explanation about our different products, the coin, the SUREBET, and the motorcycle. Okay, and our entire plan. What we do, this is in the first moment, we put digital products with the physical products, physical operation, put legality, put contract, register contract to our investors, and this changed the level from this company, this changed the level from the leaders. Wait, because this week we have the big news, and in the next week we started the shipping the Visa cards. In 2 of the September we started the shipping these cards. This is a big momentum to work. The coin is grown up step to step. We don't stay nervous about this because we understand the market and we understand the size of our project. The second point is the people working on the SUREBET have a brilliant results, fast withdrawal, all in USDT, and we put more operations to sustain this years and more years. Okay, every people stay here and work hard, make a lot of money with this ecosystem, because nothing, I repeat, nothing on the market have the same structure, the same plans, and the same idea which we have now. Okay, we make a brilliant year, and 2026, this is our year. Let's go, this is the moment. Thank you for everything.
What if it were possible to win regardless of the outcome? That's SUREBET, sports arbitrage with guaranteed profit. Our DigiBot system scans the market in real time, finds the best odds, and confirms profit at the time of the trade. You choose. Trade with our free signals or join our pool and let the system do everything for you. Zero risk, 100% math, 24 hours a day. DigiBot, SUREBET, you don't bet. You invest with a predictable return.
Good Saturday to everyone. Every leaders work with us. Every leader believe in us, and I'm very happy. I'm working hard because the next 2 weeks we have one big pumping, big news to our community, and we show exclusive assets, exclusive products to all the world. This is the moment to focus, to make your team, to join with us, and to enjoy our ecosystem. SUREBET, the DigitalBot, everything together, we make a brilliant history. Let's go, this is the moment.